Hi everyone and welcome to my place. Isn't this a beautiful urn? I wanted this beautiful urn specifically for these gorgeous double bloomed hydrangeas that we have as part of the collection here at Prestige Botanicals. These are amazing, and I think of all of the flowers, the grandmother of all of the flowers is the hydrangea. It's got dominance, its size is big, it's bold, and it really doesn't need very much with it. They do need a nice container. And I found a container online and I wanted it. And my engineer husband said to me, "You are not spending $2,000 on a container." I knew before I asked that that's what he would say. So guess what? I thought, I can do that. So have a look at the video tutorial on how to stamp and achieve something that looks like it's old and rustic and just gorgeous and perfect for this type of design. Now, you could fill the whole thing with foam, but I've got a better way of doing it. I just get a bucket and I put the foam into the bucket and then I put that down into the cavity of the urn. It comes up to there and that's fine because this arrangement isn't going to go very far. It's going to sit in my lounge until I am tired of it. Now, these all come with very super long stems. There are two ways forward. You can cut, but once you cut, you can never go back. So what I like to do is, don't cut, just bend up, just like that. Now you'll see it's got a little tag on it. The reason it's got a tag on it, because I can't remember the numbers for when I'm doing my notes. So do take the tags off when you're buying these. Now I just want to bring that over to there. This one, now you can, the other great thing about this is you can bend and manipulate and move out all your leaves as you're getting into your design. You can be quite rough with these. I'm very rough with my flowers and they seem to withhold a bit of roughness. So I'm just going to bring that one over and into there, and I want to do an arrangement that just looks like I've gone to the garden and I've picked it, but it's still going to have a nice formalness about it, which is going to be achieved because of the beautiful blooms. Oh, they are so nice. Okay, I've got two white ones. I'm going to bring that white one up and over and into there, and then turning that around, I'm going to bring the next one into here. So that it just, and it almost, I want to give the illusion that it's actually growing. And when you get into it, if you need to bend your leaves, you can bend and manipulate your leaves as you see fit. This is gorgeous. Right, I've got 3 pieces of I was going to call it magnolia, hydrangea leaf. So I'm just going to bring equal distance and have those just so that they just sort of cascade over the outside of the lip or the rim of your container, bringing that round into there, and I'm just going to bring that down and into there. Now the other thing that I wanted to add into here are these beautiful full blown peonies. Look at the colour, isn't that gorgeous? And the little buds are perfect for this design. So all I want to do with those is bring one into there and have that poking down, one over there poking down, and I want to bring one into there. How's that? That's what I call super quick designing. It's beautiful. It takes and the other thing is that it fills up space in a room, which is what I really love. And if you're really, really busy, just this in a room makes the room look like you love it and someone lives there. That's how flowers are to me. I hope you've enjoyed this. I've enjoyed sharing with you. And when you go into Prestige Botanicals, don't forget to hit the Astar 15 for a 15% discount. See you again another day.